On 17th of May, I had a devastating accident involving my CBZ. I was on my way home when an autorickshaw out of nowhere took a U-turn and came right in front of me. I got no time to react and crashed directly into the auto. Although I wasn't seriously injured other than having some bruises, my CBZ was severely damaged. It was a heartbreaking moment for me as she is very close to my heart. After completing all the legal formalities, I took her back to my home next day and then my hunt for the damaged parts began. It was quite a horrific experience as nowadays parts of CBZ aren't available easily. Had to run back and forth for almost a month to collect all the damaged parts. Eventually all the required parts arrived and I took her to the garage for repair. Finally she was restored to her original glory. Brought her back home today and gave her a good shower. Now she looks pristine as earlier and ready for action.